Hello everyone! I'll show you my very simple and completely free automation solution. You don't need to pay anything. It's absolutely free and accessible to everyone. This system can create hundreds of social media posts daily using n8n, and I'll show you exactly how to build it. The automation automatically generates images with quotes from famous people. You can use these for posting to Telegram channels, Instagram, Pinterest. This automation is perfect for beginners, and I'll demonstrate how to create it from scratch. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a powerful content creation system that works around the clock without any cost. Let's get started. Everything begins by clicking the three dots button and importing the Readymade Workflow. Our automation is compact, just 9 nodes. First, a timer trigger node starts our workflow at scheduled intervals. Next, a random quote node fetches quotes from an API. No API keys needed for this part. Then, our first code node combines several text strings into one. Our second code node formats the text by splitting it into appropriate line lengths and centers it vertically. An HTTP request node connects to pexels.com to get high-quality background images. You'll need to create and connect an API key, but it's completely free. Another code node randomly selects one image from approximately 80 options. A second HTTP request node downloads the selected image. The image editor node creates the proper 9:16 aspect ratio for the image, darkens the background, and overlays our formatted quote text. Finally, a Telegram node sends the finished image to a Telegram bot. You can replace this with your own final node to connect with whatever platform you prefer. This simple workflow creates beautiful quote images completely automatically, ready for posting across any social platform you choose. Let's build this automation system from the ground up. First, we'll create a timer trigger node. This node can be activated manually or set to run automatically on a schedule. It will start working once you toggle the inactive setting. Next, add an HTTP request node. Simply copy the URL I'm showing and paste it. That's all you need here. Now, create 2 code nodes. Copy the content from my examples and paste it into each node exactly as shown. For our next HTTP request node, we need to connect to the Pexels API. Copy the URL, then enable the Send Headers option. In the first row, enter name exactly as I have it displayed. In the second row, under Value, paste your API key. Perfect. Our API connection is now complete. Let's create another code node. Again, just copy and paste the content I'm showing. Now add another HTTP request node. Here, we'll drag over the image link from our previous node. Create an edit image node with multi-step enabled. First, select the resize function and set the new dimensions. I'm using a 9:16 aspect ratio. Next, add the draw function to overlay a darkening effect on our image. Lastly, add a text overlay function and drag in our quote text. Position it as I'm demonstrating, then select your font, color, and font size. Let's create our final node. In my case, this is a Telegram node. Select the Send Photo Message option, then click on the Binary Files field. To complete this setup, we need to connect a Telegram bot and find our chat ID. First, open Telegram and search for BotFather. Send the command /newbot and n8n to this official bot. You'll be prompted to name your bot. After creating it, BotFather will provide an API key. Copy this key and paste it into our Telegram node in n8n. Next, open your newly created bot and send the command @getIdBot. This will return your chat ID. Copy this ID and paste it into the appropriate field in our Telegram node. That's it. Our automation is now complete and ready to run. With this workflow, you can automatically generate beautiful quote images and send them directly to your Telegram bot. From there, you can easily share them to any platform you choose.